Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix brightness issue on PS5. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. On the PS5 home screen, navigate to Settings, cogwheel icon and select it. In the settings, select Accessibility and then Display and Sound. On the right side, navigate to High Contrast and toggle on the same option. Instantly you will see the changes. Now check if this fixes the issue. If not, toggle it off. And now scroll up to Color Correction. Here toggle on Enable Color Filter. Now using the color filter drop down, select green and red. And then adjust the intensity using the slider next to it. Set it to the point where you think colors are good. After that, go back to main settings and select screen and video output, and then on the right side head over to color section. Now toggle on HDR and adjust HDR according to your requirements if your TV support the feature. In my case it doesn't. After you make the changes and restart your console. I hope this helps in fixing the brightness issue on PS5. Don't forget to comment if this video helped you. Thanks for watching.